So this is the home page, but our API has exceeded the request limit for the home page. Well, for the spot page, I will just open the spot page. Okay, this is the animations applied to the spot cards. Yeah. So I have so many, more than 3 API endpoints here. I think about 4 API endpoints that are used for the spot page. Have yeah. So then when you load the page, animation is applied. So I'll do that again so that we'll see it here. You can see it applies to all cards. So maybe I should you can see this accounts. Okay, then for the contract page, it features a simple contract registration form. So this is it. Okay, so registration form. So that's it. And then when it's on mobile view, so let's do go to the home page again. On mobile view, we have this. Okay, so then comes to small view, something like this, and then when it gets smaller, okay, okay. So basically, when it's on a smaller view, smaller than 350, 360, smaller than 360, the header display should change so that those with extremely small screen can still use it. Yeah, change. So here is the video link, which is the video I'm doing now. So I'm gonna put it later. Okay, yeah. So logo goes up. Okay. So now for the sports page again, then you reduce it, goes, gets to the smallest screen, becomes one, yeah, becomes single column or true. So yeah, mm, and and yeah. So the larger it goes, the screen should split like the the columns should increase. So yeah, okay. So these pages where event listeners we applied to these pages. So when you click on the home page, event listeners takes it and display the home page. So meanwhile, my API, I've exceeded the number of calls that was given to me. I didn't subscribe to this homepage API, but I subscribed to the spot page and the contact page. But this one, though I subscribe, is a free one. But the spot page, contact page, I purchased it. I purchased the API used for that. So yeah. So actually, I use one HTML file. So with and then with JavaScript, I have to manipulate the DOM to enable me display the 3 pages using a single HTML file. So when I click on the spot page, spot tab, it should event listener should determine that it is the spot tab and then call the proper module files, JavaScript module files, and the associated code to do their work. So yeah, and then and also this one is all leaks. It's a separate API endpoints, and then this one also connections, also a different API endpoint. Fixtures also this different API endpoints, and of course Team Squad also different API endpoints. So this is search bar that when you search the search bar with which you can search for a thing and then display, you click on the display results, then the information for that thing is displayed. So that one also feature event listener and uh, another API, you know. So then for the contact page, yeah, so it features a form. In this form, you enter your name, first name, yeah, you enter the second name, the last name, then yeah, you enter the email. So you can see everything is properly done. And then here, selecting team options. So you select your preferred league that you want to be receiving information of. So with this, after registration, after entering your given name, your family name, and your email address, then you click on this select drop down button. So when you click event list with the use of API, I applied an API here. So that fetches the data from this. When you click here, the program fetches the data from an API and then display all available leagues in the world, and then you click on your preference, click on your preference, your preferred league, let's say Champions League, and then you click register. That's all. So that's okay. Thank you very much for the opportunity you give me to do this assignment. I really appreciate, though I didn't do everything that I really hope to do because of time and so many other, there are things, there are duties I could not just ignore. So I just have to do them. But whichever way, I will keep improving the program to my taste. Thank you very much for this opportunity. I'm really grateful. Thank you so much.